I did this song 3 years ago, 4 years ago, pardon me. It seems more relevant right now than ever. Prayers going out to all the people in California. Wildfire out of control. He's coming back like a wildfire out of control. You better save your heart, save your soul. Lightning and fire are gonna roll when he comes back like a wildfire out of control. Fire in his eyes, smoke out of his nose. He's gonna burn like a wildfire out of control. Hailstones and fire out of the sky. Now people, don't you wonder why? 7 plagues worse than the last. You better get moving, you better be fast. He's coming back like a wildfire out of control. You better save your heart, save your soul. This world is full of sin, something you don't want to die in. He's coming back for me and you. Believing in him is what you gotta do. He's coming back like a wildfire out of control. You better save your heart, save your soul. Isaiah 66:15. Behold, the Lord will come with fire and with his chariots like a whirlwind to render his anger with fury and his rebuke with flames of fire.